Hello, my friends. Welcome to the second lesson in chapter 14. Today we are going to tell time to the half hour. I have two small clocks of two friends that go to bed at two separate times. Here is the first friend when they go to sleep. And here is the other friend when they go to sleep. Looking at this time, where is the hour hand pointed? We have the minute hand pointing right here. The hour hand is pointing right here. The hour hand is pointing at the 9. This friend goes to bed at 9:00. So this friend goes to bed at 9:00. Oh, well, this is a little different. I'm noticing that the minute hand is not pointing at the 12. In fact, it's pointing at the 6. And the hour hand is in between the 9 and the 10. It's not pointing at any number. Now the hour hand is between the 9 and the 10. It has gone past 9. This means that it is half past, right here, half past 9. Now, why do I say half past 9? Because if you look at the hour hand right here, you choose the preceding, or that's a very fancy word for smaller number, and that lets you know what hour it is. So when you look at this one right here, you'll notice that the preceding or smaller number is 9. And because it's a half, remember when we learned about halves? It is a half past 9. So we would write it like this. Half past 9. And that is how we are going to write how to tell time to the half hour today. I'm going to get my big clock set up. It is set up at 9. Let's see, where do I want to set it up? Oh. Remember, we're telling time to the half hour. When we tell time to the half hour, the minute hand is always going to be pointing at the 6. The hour hand is going to be in between two numbers. You always look at the preceding or smaller number to tell you what hour it is. It is in between the 10 and the 11. The preceding or smaller number is 10, so it is half past 10. Let's see. It is in between, the hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2. What is the smaller number? The smaller number is 1. So it is half past 1. Now usually the smaller number is what we go to, but when it's like this, we've realized preceding what came before it. So the minute hand is at the 6, it is in between the 12 and the 1, and the 1 is the smaller number, but it just went past or proceeded the 12. So it is half past 12 right here. Where did the hour hand just proceed or go past? It just went past the 6. So it is half past 6. Let's see, Mr. McMahon is going to find some time. What do you think this time is? Where did the hour hand, it is in between the 8 and the 9. what did it just go past? Remember, you can always look at the smaller number unless it's at the 12 and the 1. But right here, it's in between the 8 and the 9. It is 8:30. Another time. 3:30. And one final one. 7:30. Well, my friends, you have done your lesson on telling time to have passed. You have workbook pages in which, just kind of like yesterday, you will match the time looking on a clock just like this to half past whatever it is. Then you will have a clock like this and have to write half past. For this one, it would be 7:30. And then you will look at Chris's schedule and you'll have to write what he does. Is it half past whatever when he's in his schedule? All right. Thank you, friends.